Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it has been a while. Most of you saw this look already on my Facebook and Instagram, but I had a very unfortunate event happen. I ended up breaking my elbow, so I'm doing this with one arm. How about that? So you guys are gonna have to bear with me. I'm moving pretty slow. I'm going to have surgery on it, so things are gonna go slow for a little bit, but I'm finally getting this video out. I know a lot of you have been asking for this video on my Instagram and Facebook, so here it is. I'm so excited to actually get this out. For once, I am actually so happy and so excited to get a video out. You have no idea. So this makeup was done for Halloween, and I did it on Halloween, and I posted it on Halloween and all that fun stuff, and I loved how this makeup came out. I did my cut creases, I did my blending, I did my, oh my god, my transition colors. I did pretty much everything. I went all out on this makeup. So with that being said, as I said, I went through a very unfortunate event, and it sucks. But I'm not going to let that hold me back. So, here we are, doing this. I'm making my videos. I'm currently going to be in the process of getting new equipment as well. And I'm really excited for that, and just I feel so much better. It's funny because last video that I did, we were like so sick. We were so sick, and I was like, okay, after this sickness, we're gonna get things done, we're gonna get things going, and just so excited. And yeah, well, look what happens. Here I go and break my elbow. Yay, go me. But I'm not gonna let this hold me back either. I know life is sending me all these freaking obstacles to jump through, and you know what? I'm gonna come out of it with a bang. And after this break, I'm going to slay everything. Oh, look at, I'm doing my little bats. They're so cute. Look at them, they're so cute. I'm just gonna yeah. So here is this makeup for Halloween that I did. I'm so excited for you guys to see this video. Oh my god, I have the cheesiest freaking grin right now. But so yeah, for the new equipment that I got, I currently got a new ring light, and it comes with a tripod and everything. It is gorgeous. It is one of the brightest ring lights that I have, and I'm so excited to start using it. I'm going to probably get a new recording equipment and everything else, and oh my god, you guys, things are looking up. I may have a dead arm right now, but that's not going to keep me from being excited about what's going on, what's going to happen in the future. But yes, I'm so excited. So I fell from a great height and tried to catch myself, and my elbow pretty much slipped out of its socket. So yeah, that's fun times. So it's some yummy information that for you guys there. I do have to have surgery. There's no fixing it without it, so that's what's gonna be happening. I'm hoping as soon as that surgery is over, my doctor told me that I can start moving it and exercising it, so I'm hoping they won't have me a cast in it after surgery. That would suck. I cannot wait to get this cast off either. I know that this video was supposed to be a tutorial, but I kind of went into the direction of talking and chat with me. That's what I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it Halloween Makeup Chat with Me. But I'm just, I'm really glad for all the people who have actually stuck around during this entire process. I've had a lot of you comment and message me asking if I'm okay, if I need anything. You guys are just awesome. I absolutely love you guys. And it just makes my day to see you guys happy and excited to see the stuff that I put out, and just, it makes my day. But this video is almost over, and as you can see, my eyes are so popping in this video, it's ridiculous. We did this beautiful makeup. I'm so excited with it, and it's just these eyelashes. Oh, they're so gorgeous. Look at it. Oh my gosh, look at this look. I love it so much. I love it so much. All right. I'm thankful you guys stuck around to hear me babble, but if you guys like this video, leave me a like down below, subscribe, whatever you guys want to do. I am so excited, and I'm happy, and I'm not going to let this broken elbow stop me. So yeah, if you guys want to see more of my videos, hit the little notification bell. It'll tell you when I post and upload things and all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys in my next video.